Elegoo Super Starter Kit Part 2. Today we're going to go over 4 components, and at the end of this video we're going to do a bonus where we're going to put 2 of those components together to make it do something. So let's go. Hi, I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. Now let's see what we're going to do today. We're going to hook up an ultrasonic sensor. We're also going to do an LCD display. We're going to do an RGB LED, and we're also going to be hooking up just one sensor on the Uno. At the end, we're going to hook up this ultrasonic sensor and put the reading on this LCD screen. So stick around till the end to see that happen. If you're new to Arduino or just need a refresher on how to code and how everything works, go check out the playlist that I have in the info card up there. Arduino Made Easier. Let's start off with the ultrasonic sensor. Like we see here, it's just 4 wires. You can see right here how simple it is to hook up. I have the sketch already loaded up, and I don't have it compiled yet. So we're going to do that right now. I already loaded the library onto my laptop. If you don't know how to install the library, go to the last video and check the info card there. So here we go. We're going to compile and upload this. Now all you have to do is open up the serial monitor. It shows 9 centimeters, so it's picking up something. But I'm moving my hand closer. Okay, it's picking up 4 centimeters. 2 centimeters, 7, 9, 10 centimeters. If you don't like metric and you want to change it to imperial measurements, then there is a formula for that, and we'll get into that a little bit later. Now I moved it further away so you can see a higher measurement right here. I'll get as far back as my cable would allow. Let's look at the sweep sketch. It's just 3 wires. Pretty straightforward. The sweep sketch only runs the servo back and forth so you could test it. And there's a lot of other things that you can do with the servo. And we're just going to use the sweep test on here. Again, you're going to have to upload a library. And so I already uploaded the library on here. And let's compile and upload. Okay, there you go. And that's all there is to it. This next example is the RGB LED. And that's the little LED with the 4 pins on it. It looks like this right here. We're going to be using 3 220 ohm resistors, and that is this large one right here, and you can see they're marked 220 on the bottom. So we're going to use 3 of them. We're going to put it on the breadboard. It shows on the large breadboard, but I'm going to use it on the mini breadboard. I already have it set up right here. I'm going to put the wires on there and the resistors. When placing the resistors, you want to make sure that you bridge the gap that's right in the center. The RGBs work off of pulse width modulation. And if you'd like to learn more about that, go check out Arduino Made Easy. Now let's take a look at the sketch. I have the sketch loaded up. I don't have it on the Arduino yet. So we're going to have to compile it and upload it. And you'll see that the RGB LED right here will dim and brighten through each one of the 3 colors on there. So here we go. if you're a more advanced user, the PCA 9685 was originally designed to operate these RGB LEDs, but they were also used for servos as a second thought. This next example, we're going to be doing the LCD display. Now I have this one all set up. I have everything wired on the breadboard. I have the potentiometer. And don't forget to peel this protective cover off of the lens. This thing right here. There you go. All right. That's the most important part of the project. This project right here has a lot of wires on it, so make sure you have all the wires on there correctly. And make sure if you're going to take a video of it that your video camera sees it. You'll see why. I have the sketch up, but it's not installed yet, so let's compile it and upload it. Okay, it says it's uploaded. Let's play around with the potentiometer here. Let's see what happens. There we go. It says hello world, but you can't see that. Okay. I had to bring the camera in real close to get a shot of it, because the further I bring it out, as you can see, it won't read it. Here's a bonus that's not in the starter kit. We have the LCD screen and the ultrasonic sensor. And even though it's on a Mega, it works on an Uno also. You may be wondering why I'm showing you this here. This is just to show you that you could take any two sketches and combine them to make something happen. Now let me show you where I found this. This comes to you from To Mechatronics, a really good Arduino tutorial channel. So check it out whenever you have a chance. Since I was having so much trouble getting my cameras to see the LCD screen, I had to set it up really close and readjust everything that I was doing here. So here's what I have. If you could see real close right here, here is the ultrasonic sensor right there, and above it is the reading on the LCD screen. So I'm going to move this board out of the way, and you can see how the distance changes on there. So whatever the distance is that it's reading, it's showing you on the LCD screen. I'll post a link in the description where you could find the website that has the fritzing diagram and the sketch. Now keep in mind that on the sketch they use different pins. They moved it down a little bit so they could add the ultrasonic sensor on it. There are many more projects in this kit, but I think I'm going to quit right here with this. You get the idea of what you could do with it. Use your imagination and have fun with it. Experiment with it. Play around and change settings on it, and go ahead and check out my playlist on Arduino Made Easier. You'll find out a lot about Arduino, and a lot of the things that I didn't cover in here can be found in that playlist. So until the next time, we'll see ya and have fun.